Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing very special painting. The medium is acrylic paint on canvas, and this is the very special because this is the panel work, and that is I am doing first time on YouTube. So, and in this panel painting I am doing work on three paintings together at a time. And before I start this painting, this is small request. I'm not telling you to subscribe or like. I'm just telling you, if you wanna see, if you want to watch a video of a painting of your desired idea, desired color medium, or desired color scheme, so I will do for you on the YouTube. So please comment which type of painting you want to see. Let's start the video. First of all, I am using willow charcoal. This is very comfortable and very good medium to draw on the canvas because it can be easily removed from the canvas if you have any mistake. And I draw three eagles, and that is coming from up to down to hunt a fish on ocean. uh, and this is the steps of flying and coming towards the fish. I'm not mentioning fish or water there, just giving impact of the water. So that's why I'm using blue color and some white textures also. After this blue color, I will use water to cover all the canvas for wash. It's just wash of the blue color. The color is cobalt blue, and medium is acrylic that I told you in the beginning. After spreading somewhere on the canvas this blue color, I used water and a thick brush, a painting brush, that is wash brush actually. And now I am preparing blackish gold color. I have added gold color and a little black also to cover the eagles with a dark golden space. Okay, so this figure will be dark and blackish gold. And how I started, I am just pouring with the help of painting knife. My pouring technique is very simple. uh, while I use oil color or acrylic color on canvas, in all my paintings, I do I use random things like painting knife or with my hands directly. uh, I have not any pouch or any other type of medium that you see in other painting videos. So I'm just covering this eagle's figure, the wings, the wide wings of eagle, and I enjoy the color painting while I do cover up such like on eagles, especially, and to create harmony between these all elements in this painting, uh, I will use my painting knife to make some scratches, because in the background you can see the blue color and the white color, they are
So
mixed with the
that's why
patch. I made some texture with the scratches with the help of this painting knife, and it also create a harmony in the art. And now I'm using gold color after drying these all layers, and to cover up the face and some impactful and some highlighted area of the eagle, like face and the wings, the lightest part of the wings.
yeah, no.
And now I'm just requesting you, if you like these techniques and this painting process, this is not final. If you are assuming and expecting luxurious artwork, so you have to wait for the full video. And this is going on. In the last moment you will see the luxurious effect and a painting that deserves a luxury space. So you'll see. But if you like still, so please like and comment and share with your friends, and the rich people, those want such paintings. You also can visit my website rambarkhanearts.com. So the all the eagles are covered with the golden effect with the help of my brushes. And thanks for the cameraman, and says none and another my wife Sandhya. Uh, and after drying these all layers, I just used black color as always. And this painting, there's no different thing, but in the acrylic medium, I'm afraid of drying uh, painting layer of the acrylic before I create the texture. So now I am going to create the texture, but before it I am covering all the canvas with the black color. I used first time a roller with the acrylic. So I'm just trying how it will be appear. And this experience was very nice, amazing. um, and I am just expecting the effect of evenness. Okay, if the evenness covers the even color um, covers the canvas, then only um, the textures will be appeared very strong and sharp. And this effect will create a very good, luxurious, and very fine effect of the textures. If you are an artist or beginner or a student or art lover, if you want to try these type of textures, so you can do also. But tag me on Instagram, and you can also take my channel, because this style is copyrighted of me. And I will be very happy if you wanna try this style, no problem. But please tag me. Now I'm using a bigger roller because I think it needs a very fast timing to cover up the darkest part, the final layer of the painting. And I have also mixed with the hand. As you know, I can't stop touching my hands on the weight painting. It directly connects an artist to the painting. And art lovers never purchase an art piece only. They buy emotions, they buy the story behind the painting, they buy all the energies that you apply on the canvas. So, an artist must touch a painting with his naked hands. Oh, and your hands, your body have all the electrons, all the emotions in every cell. So it can be transferred. Not It's not like a transferring machine, but something is near you and you are behaving like a human. If you touch it, I think, according to me, it's a very good way to connect with your painting emotionally and mentally. And see, I used my spatula and sometimes also nail, iron nail, that is used house generally, used on the walls generally. And in this painting I used a little thin layer of the black color, because I think the darkness must not be so much blackish. Okay, so because the layers below the blue color must be a little appeared, so I used such thin layers of the black color. And see, this acrylic painting was a big challenge for me because there is a risk all painting may be destroyed if the black color dries very fast. Before I finish this painting, I want to tell you something. I never knew about contemporary artwork. I thought that it is a conceptual art, so it must be historical and emotional. But before some years, I think 8 years, before 8 years, I studied about contemporary art and abstract art. I was interested to do the abstract art also and contemporary also, but uh, in the lockdown time I came to this type of attachment with the eagle bird and the texture work, so I combined these all to make the contemporary abstract art. In this contemporary abstract painting, actually art is a broad meaning word, so the painting is good for this story. So in this painting you feel how an eagle is flying and just coming towards to hunt, and hunting is his need, his daily need, his daily need, and his purpose of his life actually. So in your story, in your life, you also need to fly, you need to grow up, but after these all successful stories you have to come to the water, come to the earth, come to the land. So it creates a simple personality of a human also, if you are connecting with the human, not directly to the eagle also only. So this is the story that I am want to tell you. This is the concept that I want to say you. And these are the three paintings, panel paintings. The size is 2 into 2 feet. It means 24 inches by 24 inches. So if you really like this painting, please comment and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.